Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import Toolset Types terms fields information with WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Let's get started. CSV Importer lets you import the custom fields of both default and custom taxonomies of the toolset. So previously, I have created 3 custom fields for my default taxonomy categories. The first is the category image field. I have provided it as a repeater field. And the second one is the website URL field, and next I have added a checkbox field named featured. Now let's see the file I have prepared. This is my file. So initially, I have added some of the basic taxonomy information, that are the name and description. Then I have included the custom fields. In the category image field, I have included multiple images for categories separated with pipelines. Next is the category URL field. I have specified external website URL. Next, in the featured field, I have provided the value 0 to disable the checkbox and 1 to enable it. Now let's import the terms field values into WordPress. I am downloading this as a CSV file. Visit the dashboard and Ultimate CSV Importer plugin page. First, enter your CSV file. Choose the import post type as category. If you are importing new entries, enable the Fresh Import Radio button. If you are updating your existing categories, just choose the Update Content button. You can update the values based on the category ID or slug. I am going to add new entries, so I choose it as Fresh Import. Click Continue. Now we have to match the file fields with WordPress fields. If your CSV header names are the same as that of the WP fields, then the importer will automatically map the fields. Otherwise, use the drop-down or drag and drop method to match the field headers. Once done, save this mapping as a template with a name for future use. Click on Continue. Hit the Import button. My term field values are imported. Let's verify them. You can see that the category name, description, and the 3 custom fields, image, URL, and checkbox values are imported successfully. You can see the 4 categories have been imported successfully. So that's it, we have imported the types custom fields to the taxonomies with WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Hope you enjoyed learning about WP Ultimate CSV Importer. If this video is useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website link in the description. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.